Hello guys, welcome to my series on thermochemistry. This video is going to be about entropy, and it is part 2 of 3 in my thermochemistry series. What is entropy? In the last video we went over its cousin, enthalpy. Entropy is different. Entropy is a measure of the disorder in a system. Think chaos, randomness, dispersion, unpredictability. The universe favors entropy and it tends towards entropy. Similar to enthalpy, entropy is talked about in relative terms, and it is symbolized by delta S, change in entropy. Like enthalpy, entropy can be positive or negative. If entropy is positive, it is gained, meaning there is more disorder, more chaos, and thus less order. Get that straight in your head. If entropy is negative, it is lost, meaning there is less disorder, less chaos, and thus more order. When looking at a reaction, although you can't determine the magnitude of entropy, there are two important ways to predict the sign of entropy. First, in general, if more moles are produced in a reaction, then entropy is increased. More moles of stuff means more individual things that can be mixed up. There are more possible combinations of arrangements for the particles. Looking at this combustion of propane, 6 moles of gas produce 7 moles of gas. Since more moles of gas are on the product side, entropy is increased, and thus the sign is positive. Second, and more importantly, if there is a change in the phase in the reaction, there is a change in kinetic energy of the particles, and thus that means a change in movement and randomness. A change from solid to liquid and liquid to gas is an increase in the mobility and kinetic energy of the particles, and thus there is more entropy. For example, the phase change from solid water to liquid water has an increase in entropy because the rigid water molecules in ice are allowed to move more freely and chaotically when they melt. Thus entropy is positive. In the second example, magnesium oxide is allowed to decompose into 2 moles of another solid and another mole of gas. There are more moles of stuff and a gas is made, which means there is an increase in entropy. Entropy is positive. That's all for this video. This one's shorter. Part 3 of this series will be about Gibbs free energy. I hope you learned about entropy. Thank you guys for watching.